Hello guys, we are back again in another video. I hope you all are well. Today we will do a buying trade in US dollar versus Canadian dollar, in which you will get to see proper technical analysis. Here I am taking lot size according to my risk. You also calculate the lot size according to yourself so that you can follow the risk management. Neat guys after applying trade. Guys, all our trades are applied here. We are running our losses near $60, which we'll try to convert into profit. This account of ours is of $2,800. Now let me explain to you how we can grow the account with technical analysis. Here the market was running in a downtrend for the last 5 days. We still applied for an uptrend trade because the major trend of the market is going on uptrend, which is in continuous uptrend for 25 days. Here we can see a good move. Let me tell you, after analyzing, market is currently following this trend line where we see the perfect higher low point. Here we will connect all the points well with the trend line. It must be perfect because this will be the further analysis. Try to connect as many points as possible. Draw another trend line at the higher high point, which will act as resistance due to the long trend. The trend channel will become long, from which we can expect correct analysis. A successful trend will always follow the trend channel. Here you can clearly see the trend channel where the market is going up with a strong trend, which makes it possible to hit our target quickly. Guys, market is right now close to our lower trend line, from where retrace is preparing to go up. Since the market is near the trend line, we have to give less stop loss as well. Where the stop loss is minimized, it increases the chances of the trade being successful. Now we draw the support level, which is my favorite part. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points, which is most important. Strong point is to be formed at this level, which is an example of perfect reversal. Here market created double top pattern, and after that a very good move was seen towards the bottom. Along with the strong support resistance level, the trend line has also taken resistance. You will also see reversal points ahead. Here you will get the perfect example of resistance become support, where the market first took resistance and later broke it to support. Because of all these reasons, this level is a strong support resistance level. High probability chance the market will go up from here. From here we can capture a good move, because all the levels are working well here, which increases the probability of going up. This will put my stop loss 30 pips below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel. We will plan a sell trade if the market breakouts the trend line, but now we will give more importance to buying trade, and the target point will be 60 pips up where the previous resistance level is. The market has to come to this level before going into a downtrend, because double top will be made here on big time frame. Guys, here we start getting profit as we time the market. The market will also gift good results in return. I set stop loss and target point quickly. Guys, our profit has increased, which is more than $200. Our analysis work is complete. You must be understanding all the levels very well until either our target or stop loss is hit. We will not close the trade. We have applied trade with very simple price action. The simpler your analysis is, the easier you can manage the trade. Let's see what is the result of this analysis of the market. We have to accept whatever result comes out. It's good for us. See you guys after a while. Till then, enjoy the video.
I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's go!
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately, to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, hit a
No, you didn't, bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, you just...
Very nice guys, the market has respected our setup. Our analysis was correct, which led to a good move. We have hit the target with great patience. Our target level was here that just hit a while ago when we applied the trade. The market has been sideways for a long time, but now going up with strong move 1 hour ago. Here you are drawing a level with the rectangle tool because it is necessary to draw the level. At this level the market has already reversed. This could be the next strong support resistance level in this trend channel. Market can break this level and go up because the strong trend of the market is the uptrend, or we can again see resistance become support pattern. If this does not happen, then the market will reverse from here to the downside where we can see double top on big time frame. You will see its result in the last. Must watch the video till the end. Guys, our profit is running above $4,000 here. We have grown our account. We had $2,800 in this account, which was grown by $700. Here we followed proper psychology and risk management. I knew what my loss would be. You can also do such analysis according to which trade was applied, in which you have to practice a lot. You can make good profit from here. See you guys in the next video.
A few moments later.
No, 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 no.